Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I just got my order from Temu, and I wanted to quickly show this to you because I don't have a Junctional January video up today because I combined a couple of prompts together twice, so I won't have a Junctional January one up until the day after tomorrow, so I'll try to come up with something for tomorrow too. But this is Colorful Wings stickers, and they're clear stickers of birds. I think it's just birds. And oh, look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. I didn't think they would be this big. Now this is the first time that I'm surprised by a product from Temu being bigger than I thought it was. Look at all these beautiful birds. Wow. I'm wondering if these are European birds, because I don't recognize any of them. Yeah, I think maybe they're European birds, but anyway, they are gorgeous. There's a hummingbird. Our hummingbirds don't look... Oh, this isn't one of our hummingbirds. Ruby-throated hummingbird. We have this hummingbird in upstate New York, but I don't... This might be a goldfinch, but I don't know. Doesn't look like a goldfinch to me. But anyway, they are beautiful birds, and I'll never get them back in that package. Now these are little tiny... These was surprised how tiny they are. These are little tiny woodland animal stickers. Well, just woodland themed, I guess, because there's an acorn. Little foxes, some grasses, trees, mushrooms, leaves, raccoon. It looks like there's only one of each. Or maybe two of each, because there's two of that one. That's pretty. Squirrels, yeah, there's two of each, so that's nice. And so I've got, oh my gosh, my favorite. This curled up sleeping deer. How cute is that? So that's that. And then we've got some papers. I don't even remember ordering this paper. Vintage style journal materials. Yeah, I was surprised. I don't know, I'm sure I read the measurements of the papers, but I was still surprised at how small these are. So these are kind of like vellums. Ooh, look at that one. So these are just like different vellum papers. Oh. How beautiful are these? And then they have the same one that's not vellum that matches. So that's cool. Wow. And then some extras that don't come in the vellum. Those are really nice. Red-bellied woodpecker. We've got them here. They come to our bird feeder all the time. I've never worked with vellum, so I'm going to be learning something new with that. Then we have some floral paper. Roses and romance. Spring is coming. So we've got, maybe I can just do a flip through. Oh, they're white on one side. Okay, they're one-sided. Oh, but they're really pretty. Look at that. These would make nice envelopes. Oh, how gorgeous are these? It looks like for this pack, is there just one of each? I think so. I think there's just one of each with this one. So look how pretty those are. And then I got some winter paper because it's still winter and I don't have hardly any wintry papers for my February and March journals. Everything is sort of nature-y themed. Oh, those are mittens and skates. Oh, that's pretty. I was kind of, I don't know why, but I thought they were going to be big enough to make a page out of. They're going to be big enough to make pockets out of, or envelopes. Oh, how pretty is that? They're all so pretty. Alright, and then I've gotten this pack, but 12 by 12 from Amazon, and I was surprised to see it on Temu. I wonder if it's exactly the same. Yeah, it looks like it's photocopies of the real thing because the colors are different. The colors are muted or something. But it is the same paper, but it looks like it's like a digital version of it or something. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed, honestly, and these are cut off a little bit too, but you know, you get what you pay for. And in the originals they were double-sided, so that's kind of nice that I'm not going to have to choose which sides I want. So I'm a little disappointed in this pack, I will admit. And then we have this paper that's, I guess, 9 by 9. And it's just called Winter, I don't know, Vintage it says. It's winter papers that I picked. I don't know what name they have. Let's see what they all look like. They're obviously one-sided. And I'm seeing I need to pull it out like this. So we have, oh, these are really nice. I'm very happy with these. There's some cut-aparts. They're not stickers. Some collage papers. Pretty. It's like pink and blue winter. Whoops. That looks like wallpaper and border. Some journaling cards. Snowflakes. More little journaling cards. Like a scene, a background page. Ooh, these are really pretty. If they're a copy of something, I don't know what. I have never seen it before. And then tags. That's pretty. Now, if you saw may have seen my Christmas garland thingy that I had, banner. And I liked it so much, I didn't realize they had them on Temu. I got my Christmas one on Amazon, and it was very expensive. On Temu, it was one-third the cost. And you put the strings through here, and you just make a banner. So let's see how many there is. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. How cute are these? Is there 2 there? Yeah. So that's 3, 4... These are going to be so cute to hang up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, is that 2? That's 2. 8. Oh, a chubby one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll be, if I want to put them back to back, I'll have 7 and then just 1 left over, which I probably will because I like it to look cute on both sides. And then I got a Halloween one. And that will be it for this video, which may not be that quick. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. We're getting another inch of snow. So I'm glad it's just an inch. It's still cold, still under 20. And it's supposed to warm up, though, by next week. These are cute, too. Today I had my grandson all day, and we just had a blast. He talks so much now. And he kept asking about Bethany. He wanted to see Bethany, but she wasn't here today. So maybe he can come over when Bethany comes over on Sunday. She misses him, and I think he misses her too. So that's it. That's it for my little Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll keep this here for you to look at while I tell you, please stay happy, healthy, safe, warm, and dry, and strong. And maybe next time I'll add something else to it and see if I can remember them all. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow. And actually, I think I already do have something because I forgot. I used my coupon for I had a gift card for a local bookstore here in our town. And I got 2 cut and glue collage books there. So I can show those to you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.